everyone. So this lesson we're focusing on how do we actually write down the quadratic equation in turning point form. So the turning point form means y is equal to a times of x minus b the whole square plus c. So in general form it means it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So using the completion of square we can bring it into this turning point form. The advantage of writing in turning point form is that it is easier to identify the coordinates of the turning point, or otherwise called the vertex. So from this equation we can actually see x minus b is equal to 0, which will give you x is equal to b. So b represent the x coordinate of the vertex, or otherwise called the turning point, and c represent the y coordinate of the turning point. So b and c represent the coordinates of the turning point. Okay. So now let's look at an example where we can actually convert the quadratic equation in turning point form. So what is the equation in here? It is y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 1. So it's given in general form. So we need to bring it into this form. So how do we bring it into that form? Just we use the completion of square method, which means we take the coefficient of x, which is 6, divide that by 2 and square it. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 squared is 9. So therefore y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 and minus 9 plus 1. That is all. So we're just using the completion of square, which means we take the coefficient of x, half it and square it. So half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So add and subtract. And then we bring the first three terms as a perfect square form. So how do we convert x square minus 6x plus 9? So it is x, when you have a minus here, which means it is representing a minus b the whole square. So here it is x minus 3 the whole square, because square root of 9 is 3. So when you expand x minus 3 the whole square, you get x square minus 6x plus 9. And then you have the constant minus 9 plus 1 will give you minus 8. So therefore, we have actually rewritten the quadratic equation in turning point form. So therefore, what is the coordinates of the turning point? So 3, x minus 3 is equal to 0 will give you positive 3. So 3 and minus 8 is the coordinate of the turning point. So coordinate of the turning point, coordinates of the turning point.